Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today I'm gonna be doing a pet haul, but not just any pet haul. I'm actually gonna be showcasing some of Ikea's newest pet products that have just launched in store, like 2 days ago, I think. So they're super new. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek at what's coming to stores, what's already in stores. And yeah, I feel like a lot of my viewers are pet lovers just like me. And I hope that this inspires you to maybe revamp your pet's furniture, because pets deserve furniture too. Just a note to say that I do have a new family member. She's a cat. Some of you thought it was a baby. So if you missed my living room refresh video, I will pop a link up here so you can watch it, but I introduced Lottie. She's my new little kitten. She's so small and fluffy. So she's gonna be trying out a lot of the pet products in this haul today. Just a note to say that this video is not sponsored by Ikea. They just sent me all the product to feature on my channel because I feel like Ikea and pets are two things that you guys are really passionate about, as am I. But I am gonna send all of this product back to them or give it to some of my friends and family, so it's not going to waste. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get this haul started. Are you ready? Are you ready? Guys, I can't, look at this. So Ikea has had one pet collection for a while now, but I wasn't actually a huge fan of a lot of the colorings that they put out. It was a lot of like greens and whites, but this line is amazing because there's lots of pink tones, there's blacks. It just looks a lot more sophisticated and like things I would actually put in my home as decor. So the first thing is this pet bed. I love this pattern. It has these little triangles all over it. It's super fluffy and feels really comfortable. You could totally use this for small dogs or maybe large dogs even. And this also comes in a black pattern like this one. Yeah, and I just feel like these patterns are really sophisticated and just nice to have on display for your pet. So some of this product I'm opening for the first time, which is exciting. But this is a pet blanket. I love this pattern so much. This is pretty big. I feel like you could actually use this as a picnic blanket if you weren't using it for a pet, but it is filled with like a lining in between the fabric, so it does feel like a little bit fluffy, really comfortable for pets to sit on. But I also think, yeah, this is great to just like cover a rug in your house that you have that you don't want your pet to shed all over. And it's a really, really, really great size. And again, I love this pattern. So they're 100% polyester, they're washable, and they're great to travel with because you can fold them up into a little square. But yeah, I think this is such a great buy for a car, or like I said, your house if you have a really nice rug that you want to protect. This is a good find. It also comes in this color, which I love. It's pink, it's really pretty. And you guys should feel the quality of this. Like, it feels really nice, it feels really heavy. And I just think it's like the problem solver for people with dogs who also have cars. I feel like a lot of people use bed sheets if they have dogs and they want to protect their car seats. But this is gonna look way better and do a better job because it is quite thick and water repellent. Ikea actually had this in their previous pet line, and I am such a fan. I'm actually gonna keep this, I think, for myself and use it. I mean, not me use it personally, like the cats use it, but it's this litter box, and I just think this is like the sleekest litter box I've seen. You guys know I love, absolutely love, love, love my Igloo litter box that I have. I'm gonna link a previous pet haul that I did. If you guys are in the market for an amazing like dome igloo shaped litter box, go check out that video. But yeah, if you need an open litter box like this, this is just so sleek. I just think it looks really decorative, you know? It doesn't look like those cheap kind of litter boxes that you find. And yeah, it's just sleek. I love it. And it's a really great size. And then to match the litter box, it's just this really simple pet bowl, super simple. It also comes in white. Ikea's really expanding the colors they're offering in their pet furniture. This pet bowl also comes in the most amazing pink. If I can get my hands on the pink bowl, I am going to, because I need that in my life. They also have this really beautiful one that stacks. I'm sure certain Ikeas have different products than, other Ikeas. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite Ikea pet find is. I would love to know. And if you find the pink bowl, let me know. There's also some more really cute pet beds. Again, I just love these colors. This is like a really dusty pink. I think this size is definitely great for cats or small dogs. And what's great about this is that you can take out the inside stuffing and wash it. And if any of you guys have cats or dogs, you know that they shed. I am constantly washing Harriet's. She has a sheepskin bed, and I'm constantly washing it because it just gets gross. Like, she sleeps on it all the time. So I really like that these have removable linings. And then this color and the gray also comes in these bigger versions, again with the removable lining. And the material's really, really, really soft. So again, a great pet bed for a dog. This one's probably good for medium or big size dogs. You can also fold it to make it even more fluffy for your pet. But yeah, great that the inside is removable and that you can wash it. I would love to know if you guys wash your pet beds or if you just like throw them out once they get really gross. I feel like a lot of pet beds are really decorative, which is amazing, but they're not super washable. So a product like this is really great. I'm really excited. Like I said, I always wash Harriet's because it has a removable lining, so I do find it really helpful. I'm very excited about this next product because it is a pet carrier, not just any pet carrier. First of all, it's such a great size. It's totally collapsible. So it comes like this. So that means when you're not using it, you can fold it down to this size, which I think is amazing because a lot of the bulky cat carriers you get, if you live in a small space like I do, it's like, where are you gonna store that? So I love that this literally folds down to this size. You can slide it into storage when you're not using it, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So then to set it up, all you have to do is zip it up. Super easy and quick, and it's super roomy in there. Like, you have a lot of space to work with. A lot of space. You could fit like multiple animals in here. I mean, don't be cruel and fit multiple animals in one carrier, but if you have two small dogs, they would easily fit in here. It also has a little skylight. How adorable, because cats especially love to be able to see like all around them. Yeah, I'm super obsessed with this. Also has a pocket on the side, but I love how big this is, but then how small it gets when you fold it down. This is such a good find. I actually might keep this for myself. I just think everyone needs like a roomy cat carrier like this that is super easy and transportable. So once you've reached your destination, wherever you're going, you can unzip this. It turns into a bed. That is amazing. This piece is so versatile. So you could use this at home, you could store it because it's so compact, or you could use it on the go. I love this and I think I need it. Also, it comes in black. You can also buy a matching pet bowl that's also transportable, so it breaks down. So it's easy, again, to store away when you're not using it. And then when you go out with your dog and it needs a drink of water, you can just expand it and they have a cute little water bowl. The next item is great if you have a Billy bookcase or a Kallax shelf, specifically a Kallax. This box fits right into the Kallax unit and it becomes a little home for them. So the top of the Kallax is gonna make a little roof. So it's a really nice, safe place. If you guys have cats, you know that they love like safe, dark places. You could put one of these cushions in it, like that. And it just becomes the cutest little bed. And again, I'm obsessed with these colors. I'm pretty sure this also comes in black and white, not just the pink. But yeah, great to slide right into a Kallax unit. And then they have this little cute hidden place to sit. So fun. Also has a zipper on the bottom, so it is collapsible. So again, like really easy to store if you're not using it. But I feel like if you're gonna put this in a Kallax, it's great because you're making use of space you already have, and you're not like filling up your apartment with bulky things like this if you just don't have the room. I have 2 other items I'm going to talk through, but before I mention those, I just wanted to highlight some of the things that I don't have with me. So Ikea is selling these really great trays. I'm going to insert photos of them. I really want to know what you guys use to put cat food on. Let me know in the comments below, because I feel like I am constantly vacuuming up little kibbles. And it's such a waste, and I know that there's a way to like contain it. I feel like one of these Ikea trays would be a good way to do that, but let me know in the comments if you have any more suggestions, or if you have a specific product that you use at home that's not from Ikea, because that is a problem in my home that I need to solve, so I need your help. So for the dog lovers out there, there is a leash, which is great. And the cool thing about this is that it's reflective. So if you're walking your dog at night, this is really safe because there's a reflective sticker on both sides. It's retractable. I don't really know much about dog leashes because I don't own a dog, but I will say that Anthropologie has the most beautiful pom-pom leash ever in the whole entire world. It's outrageously expensive, but I was looking on the website and I'm like, how do I get Harriet to take a walk with the pom-pom leash? Or do I just like need to buy a new dog so I can use the pom-pom leash? Serious question. That being said, I love this leash too. It's a little more practical. Yeah, and also all the products are linked down below, just by the way, if you guys want to buy any of these products for yourself. The last item I have, I'm not going to unbox it on camera because I'm going to set it up and then show you guys in the after shots. It is a mini couch for cats and dogs. So Ikea sent me 2 sizes. I'm going to set up the cat size because that is what I'm working with right now. It looks like an Ikea couch, but for cats, and I might have like a mini heart palpitation situation going on once it's set up, because I mean, I think every pet deserves an Ikea couch, to be honest. So I can't wait for you guys to see that. I'm gonna insert some shots of it here because it's just too cute. And there you guys have it. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing these Ikea pet products. Let me know in the comments down below. Actually, let me know in the comments down below if you have any solutions for my cat food problem, and what product in this haul you liked best. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you loved the double episode launch this week on my channel, and I will be back with regular scheduling next Friday. See you next time.